Yeah, we are live.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Namaskar. Namaste. After a very long time, we are coming back here. And yes, after Ganpati, we had, during the Ganpati, we had the Modaks. Then Navratri, I think you all have seen all the series. And after Navratri is Diwali. Yes, Diwali has come here. And we've got this. It's from us two brothers. And it's about the Ghar Pe Banao Shankar Pari kit. Okay, so I'm unboxing. Come, let's see what's in. Really excited to see it. Oh,
Now.
I know, huh? Yeah. Wow. Shubha Deepavali. Yes, wishing you all happy Diwali. Shankar Pari and cardamom powder.
Okay, yeah, we are live.
Okay, guys, come on. Let's make Shankar Pari, okay? So I'll just tell you all how to take everything. According to a cup's measurement, I've taken everything here. All this is available here in the pack. And so, yes. First, I'll take the rava. Take the rava, which is little coarse. Take 1 cup rava. Near about 1 cup, not full 1 cup. 3/4, okay. Yeah, 3/4 rava and 3/4 cup gur. Okay, and put it in the mixer. Make it, grind it nicely. एकदम fine grind होना चाहिए. See, like this way. The rava is little coarse in it, so you have to grind it like this way. Yeah. Then you add the rava and your. I've done this. I'm just showing you all. Otherwise, I've done the dough for you all. See, gur also nearly about 3/4 cup. And 1 cup khapli atta, the second one here, and nearly about a big, if you want to make a big amount, the third one less than 1 cup, little. 1 pinch of cardamom powder, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, and then ghee. Ghee तिथंच आहे. Right. Yeah, ghee. Okay, we've got the open one. 1 cup, no, not 1 full cup, but see, half a cup, nearly half a cup, okay? Just add this till 1 minute, till it gives a lovely wetness to your atta, to the dough, okay? Very little bit, bas. Yeah, we got your dough properly done. Then knead it properly, nicely. Massage it. Yes. See, because of your massaging the dough, no? Automatically, pressure points are being activated. Yes, that's good. That's what our grandmothers used to do before. Early in the morning, they used to make the flour, and this flour is to be lovely kneaded to activate the pressure points on the hands. Yeah, you can keep the dough, make a lovely dough. Keep it for half an hour. Okay, so I've shown you the dough, and now I have a ready-made dough which I've kept for half an hour. Chalo, knead it again before taking it. Just knead it once only. It's fun making this. Yes. Come on. Now. Just put little ghee on your rolling board and pin so that it won't stick. Otherwise also it won't stick. Here. Now take a lovely handful, like a little big amount of dough, and see, make it nice and round and roll it out. It should be little thick because the Shankarpari will taste nice and crispy. Yeah, roll it properly. Oh ho ho. Wait. Nothing will happen. Don't worry. Wait. Cut it with a knife. Yes, Gogo is getting ready. Look at him. He knows something is coming. Cut it into squares as you like it. Mine are a little rough, but it doesn't matter because after frying, Pali will spread out. Yeah. So a little bit of atta in it to see if it is. Yes. It is little hot. Yes. Okay, good. Good with the oil. So now, go thumb. Now add your Shankar Padis in. Wait, first remove the. See, they're becoming nice. So that means the oil is not too hot, neither too cold. One bit, huh? Now add your Shankar Padis in. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. Add it slowly, otherwise you'll have oil on yourself. Yes. 1 minute. The flame is too much now. Don't worry. It's okay. So fry your Shankar Padis properly, as much the color you like, a little over brown. Otherwise, they taste little soft. But if you want crispy ones, just fry them little deep brown, thoda brown. Yes, it's been done. And you know what? We've been from small, we've been having Shankar Padi with chai. That is a different taste. It tastes very different, very nice. How many of you have been having chai and Shankar Padi when you're small, and even now also? Huh? My kids also do have it. So, here's the Shankar Padis I've made for you all. Yes, the little dark brown because of the gourd. Yes. So you might be seeing, the color has little, because maida color is little whitish, and this is a good Shankar Padi, so it is little dark brown in color. Okay. So our Diwali, Diwali plate is thali is ready for all of y'all, and wishing y'all all happy Diwali. So y'all can have Shankar Padi here. Let me taste it first. Let me see. No. You can feel it. You can hear it. See. Very crispy. Too good. Enjoy it. And I'm sure you'll like it. Then the chaklis are here, laddus are here, and the chuda. So, everyone enjoy Diwali. Yes, happy Diwali from all of us here from the farm. Bye.